Okay, so once you've finished editing your project and you're ready to export, go to the Deliver tab with the rocket icon. And then you want to go into the left-hand panel here and you can see it says Export Video with a check mark. Uncheck Export Video, then head to the Audio tab. And here you want to select your format and your bitrate. So for format, I recommend setting it to WAV if you're going to be putting it into another software to continue editing. And then bit depth, you can choose 24. That is the recommended bit depth. Then from here, you just have to add it to your render queue. And I'll put it on the desktop and I'll just name it that. Click on save and then you can render that. Once it's all rendered and finished, you can find your location of where you exported it. And for me, it's on the desktop. So here's the folder in a WAV, just the audio like we wanted. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more video editing tutorials. Take care.